Welcome guys to today's video. I am doing this fun glowy white makeup look. I'm so excited to get this going. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into it right after this little intro, and feel free to follow me on all of my socials. Starting off with today's makeup look, I am going to actually shave my face because I haven't done this in a while. I didn't have a spray bottle with me, so I just used my setting spray to dampen my skin, which makes it so much easier for shaving. I highly recommend having damp skin before shaving on top of dry skin. For the eyes, I am using just my Milk Hydrator primer for my eye primer base, and then going right on top with my concealer. And then I also do lightly set it with a powder. And here is a cameo of my sister. She showed up and then started the camera all on her own. The eyes are super simple. I'm using literally just this NYX eyeliner. All the products are going to be listed below, and I'll link some of them as well. The hardest part to this was getting these lines even and not too thick. Like, this is the first eye I did and it was so thick. I do go back and clean it up, and I'm the worst for trying to show this, so I was off camera for a lot of it, and I'm so sorry that I didn't show it, but yeah, kind of get the idea. So it's literally just this simple. Just use this eyeliner, clean everything up with your concealer, and that is literally the eye look. I already have like eyelash extensions, so that's my eyes done, besides a little bit of mascara on the top. For my face makeup, I'm doing like a building process. So I start off with my concealer, I buff it out, blend it. This is just to start to even out my skin tone and any imperfections. And then on top of this, I go in with my Glow by Yorick like Glow Lust in Citrine. I absolutely love this product. So I use this all over my cheeks and forehead to add the glow and also a little bit of coverage. Then on top of this, I go in with some more concealer, and this is to then highlight my skin after on top of this, and to kind of like sculpt as well, since I don't use contour. So what's being all glowy without adding more glow? So I'm adding a liquid highlighter and to the high points of my face, mainly my cheekbones and nose. Then I use the extra amount that's left on my beauty blender to tap it onto my forehead. Buff everything out with a brush, and then we move on to powder. This is the Fenty Pro Filter powder in the shade Cashew. So I just set out my skin because I have to. I have super oily skin, definitely being on birth control, which the video is coming up, so stay tuned. To add even more glow, this is the Huda Beauty bronzing palette, and I just use the blush that's in it that has a really nice shimmer as well. I bronze up with my usual Morphe 39A palette, and then we set everything with a setting spray. Since I just reshaped my brows, I kept them really simple. I'm just using a powder inside them. And then we finish off the eyes actually with the highlighter that's in the Huda Beauty palette, and just use this in my inner corner. As you can see, someone was pulling into my driveway and it scared me because I do not like having random people show up at my house, and I was like really iffy about it. So I was like, oh my god, panicking. I'm like, this person's gonna walk into it because I'm clearly in my living room right now. This lip liner that I'm using is from NYX as well. I just picked it up at the same time I got the eyeliner. This color reminds me so much of the Body Shop lip liner in the shade Beach, and I absolutely love that one. Using my tried and true lip gloss, and that finishes off this entire look.